Are you struggling with GetResponse not sending your emails? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of users face this issue, but the good news is it's usually an easy fix. Stick with me as I walk you through what's going wrong and how you can get your emails back on track in just a few simple steps. First off, let's talk about the most common reason GetResponse may not be sending emails. Your email list may have issues. Check to make sure all the email addresses you're sending to are valid. GetResponse automatically claims your list by marking invalid or bounced email addresses, but sometimes it can take a little longer to update. So, ensure that all your contacts are verified and that there aren't too many inactive or bounced addresses. Next thing, *** email content and spam filters ***. If your emails contain content that gets flagged by spam filters, it can prevent your messages from reaching recipients. Make sure your email content is clean, with no overuse of links, suspicious-looking words, or attachments that could trigger spam flags. Also, double-check that you're not violating any of GetResponse's email marketing policies, which could lead to restrictions on your account. The third thing you should look at is your email sending limits. If you're using a free or trial plan, GetResponse often has a limit on the number of emails you can send per day. Make sure you're not exceeding these limits. Upgrading your plan can help if you're growing your list and need to send more. Another factor that might be stopping your emails from being sent could be your account settings. If you haven't set up your email authentication, such as SPF, DKIM, and MARC, GetResponse may not allow you to send emails properly. These are crucial for ensuring your emails don't get blocked or marked as spam. It's a simple setup in the account settings, but often overlooked. Now, if you've gone through all of these checks and the problem persists, it's worth checking with GetResponse support. Sometimes, there may be server issues on their end or a bug that's causing problems. You can reach out to their support team and get them to look into your account directly. The fifth thing to check is your IP address reputation. If you're sending from a shared IP, other users could be affecting your email deliverability. You can request to be moved to a dedicated IP, or use a service like Mailgun or SendGrid, which has better IP reputation management. Finally, if you've tried all of the above and you're still having issues with GetResponse not sending emails, it might be time to explore better alternatives. There are a few email marketing platforms out there that are easier to set up and offer better reliability for sending emails, especially if you're looking for consistent deliverability. At the end of the day, if you want something that just works and doesn't leave you wondering why your emails aren't going out, you'll want to check out competitor software. It's got better email automation, more detailed reporting, and far fewer issues with deliverability. Plus, it offers a free trial so you can test it out before committing. In fact, through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial of competitor software, along with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. You'll be able to skip the hassle and get back to doing what you do best, building your email list and growing your business. Plus, we'll also share some amazing alternatives that will suit your needs even better, especially if you're facing delivery problems with GetResponse. So, check out the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available here.